Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Today we are going to learn aptitude. The first question is 481x673 is exactly divisible by 9. Find x. The second one is a man is 24 years older than his son in 2 years. His age will be twice the age of the son. Find the present age of the son. Okay, let us do the first question first. 481x673 is completely divisible by 9. So add all the numbers because sum of the digits is 9. So once you add all the numbers, 29 is coming, 29 plus x. So 29 plus smallest number 7. 7 when you add it will become 36. So answer is 7. Okay, this is the simple way because test out divisibility of 9, sum of all the digits. Let us go to second question. A man is 24 years older than his son. In 2 years his age will be twice the age of his son. Find the present age of his son. Okay, a man is 24 years older than his son. In 2 years the age of his will be twice the age of his son. How to solve this? Okay, let the present age of the son be x. The man's age equal to x plus 24 because he is 24 years older than him. So after 2 years means plus 2 on both the side. X plus 24 plus 2, that is x plus 2. But they are given condition it is twice. Once you solve, you will get the answer as x equal to 22. So age of the son equal to 22. Simple, right? Shall we do the next question? When a square of a number is divided by 8, find its remainder. What is 3 square? 9. When you divide by 8, what is the remainder? 1. What is 5 square? 25. When you divide by 8, what is the remainder? 1. So answer is always 1. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Kindly do remember to subscribe our channel.